Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I am with an Excel-based PDF to Excel data conversion automation. And what we are doing in it, we are using the Power Query and the M language to convert the data from PDF to Excel with variable page numbers. Like there could be 5 to 10 or maybe 130. But for this automation, we will not be using the page numbers because the PDF seems to be having the uh, tabulated format with a bit complex formation, but yeah, it is in a tabulated format. So I'll give you this automation so that you can test it, review it, and if you find any observation, you can let me know, and then we can work on it. And then later we can agree to that further to that. Okay. So let me show you how it's going to work. So the data comes in into the raw data. There are multiple tabs in between which are hidden, which process the data and spit out the results in the result column, and there are two buttons, update button and clear. So if I press clear, it will clear all the data, and there are PDFs on the there are PDFs on the in a folder, and currently this PDF is in use. As you know that we will be using the same PDF name, just changing the PDF numbers. Like what I'm trying to say is that we will be using the same PDF in the same folder, and we'll be just replacing the PDF with the same name. So now if I use this one, which is the 858 size, and if I go to the data and refresh, the data from the PDF will get loaded into the file, and from there, once you see that the data has been updated, now you can press this update button. This is going to take a bit while because there is a lot of complexity in the table format, and I've tried to cover as much as I can. But if there are any remaining or there are any upcoming which are not in the PDFs in hand, then once encountered, we can fix those. I use these two extra columns because I am expecting something out of it. Let's see if that doesn't appear. So if there is any extra value in this column, that must be accommodated. Might be a manual change for that particular thing. So let's see. This is the data now. It's still refreshing. All right, done. So there are 137 entries we have received for this particular PDF. Okay, so this is one thing, and we are not getting any values in it. That's fine. So it means the data is perfectly fine, and we are receiving all the required columns: primary generator, unapplied credit, this and that. Now I'll be changing the PDF. So I'll be renaming this PDF to 0, and let's use this larger one so that we can see. Now we have changed the name of the PDF, so it means that when the automation will go into this folder and it will find, okay, this is the PDF which need to update. Again, go to the data, press refresh all. This is going to take a bit because the file is large. Okay, it seems that the data is uploaded. Still working. Okay, now I'll press the update button. So previously we have 137 entries from the PDF with the size 858 KBs. Now we are using 1.3 MB file. So there must be more than 137 entries at least. All right, it's done, and you can see there are almost 300 entries in here. So these are 318. So this is working fine for all these three PDFs which you gave me for the testing. And for further testing, you can change the PDF and let me know if you find any particular issue. I'll fix that. And once you are satisfied, then please let me know so that I can share you the offer and proceed accordingly. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.